Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with pretty Miss Sheila running that camera. Hi, Sheila.
Hi.
You know, Sheila and I are the luckiest people in the world. We got Cooking with Shotgun Red, a very successful cooking channel, and all the subscribers out there, and hopefully all those that will subscribe, they watch every detail about what we do on this show. Had somebody send something in one time, said, you know, when you stir your chili and you taste it, you put the same spoon back in there. You need to use tasting spoons. So I did that as another show, and of course I used the tasting spoons to make sure that chef didn't go crazy watching it. And I get people saying, well, you put too much salt in this or too much sugar in that. But nothing compares to the email that I got from Linda McBay. She says, I was watching one of your old cooking shows, and let me look at my notes, Jiffy Corn Casserole. And Linda McBay, she says, your cutting board has something very strange about it. Now, I have this brand new cutting board that Sheila bought me, so I cook just about everything on it, as you know. But way back then, I had this one. And it was laying on the counter, and I was cooking with the corn casserole, and she noticed something very remarkable. I'm going to show you this clip and see if you notice what she noticed. Watch this. Gee whiz, what a nice texture. Look at that, it's almost kind of like a cake in there a little bit. Sheila said she couldn't wait to try this also. Doesn't it look good, babe?
It's really good.
Man, it does. All right. Well, did you see it? I didn't either at first. I'm going to show you the same clip again. In fact, I'm going to zoom in part way, and then I'm going to zoom in real close to this opening in the handle of the cutting board. And she says, if you look in that opening, just exactly the way it's laying on this counter with these little black designs, it looks like me. There's a little profile drawing, and you can see me kind of looking off to the side. I got my eyes closed, eyes, nose, and a mustache looking through this opening. Now, if you move this a quarter of an inch right or left, up and down, it wouldn't look like that. And we've even tried to find the same location on this countertop, and it's nearly impossible. But watch this again. There's no audio because as I did the zooming, I couldn't do the audio at the same time. But I'm going to play this clip and look in the hole of this cutting board and see if you see me. Watch this. Now, isn't that just crazy? I see my face in there too, kind of the hair up here, my little eyes and nose, I'm looking off that way, and my mustache. I think this cutting board might be haunted, I'm not sure. But Linda and all you other subscribers out there that point out every detail that we do, that means you're watching our show, and we really love you very much. Well, wait a second, let me see if I can find that exact location. Hey, there's a picture of Sheila. She's in the cutting board. Now see, if I move it, she'll probably disappear. Yep, she's gone too, so that is really weird. We hope you subscribe to our channel. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in just a little bit. Click on subscribe, and then click that little bell right there to make sure you're notified about all the recipes. Because we didn't do a recipe in this particular video, we just wanted to say thank you and, hey, take a look at the cutting board over here. We'll put a few recipes right up over here that you can click on and watch. We'll get back to cooking in the next video, but we just wanted to point out the fact that if you can see my face in the handle of a cutting board, you must be watching the show, and we love you. Is it the most crazy thing you ever seen in our cooking show? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Say goodnight, Sheila.
Good night, Sheila.
Bye-bye for now.